friends. All right, so Miss Acton here teaching you math, and it's your Friday today. I know it's just Thursday, but guess what? We don't have school on Friday this week. So today's Thursday, but it's actually your Friday. So congratulations, you made it to the end of the week. All right, so me, Miss Ramos, and Miss Jess talked yesterday, and what we decided was that we didn't have a lot of kiddos logging into Envisions for the math assignment. So we're redoing that assignment again today. So we want you to log into your Envisions interactive workbook and use those tools that Miss Acton taught you. I'm going to also post that video on the stream or on your Google form as well for this assignment. That way you can watch that again if you need to see what those tools are. And we just want you practicing those tools and showing us that you can make it to your interactive workbook. So that's one of your jobs today. But another job that you have is to explore our website that is called Splash Math, and it's a member of the Splash Learn website that we have all of you guys set up for. So I'm going to show you how you get there, and then you're going to do that for your math time for today, or any time that you have extra time today that you want to work on something. Sorry, I've got a fly buzzing around my computer. Get out of here. Go on, get out of here. Okay, I'm back. So I'm going to show you how to get to Splash Math. There's a few different ways, but this is the way that Miss Acton, Miss Ramos, and Miss Jess have set it up for you to make it easy. So in your Google Classroom, so whether it's Miss Acton's classroom, Miss Jess' classroom, or Miss Ramos's classroom, you guys have a link to the second grade website, and it's usually in your stream. So most of you are going to scroll down a little bit. You'll pass your join conversation to get into your Microsoft Teams where you meet with your teacher every morning. Go a little bit further down and you'll see a post of the second grade website, and it has those two buttons that I'm talking about. So you're going to click on that, and hopefully you recognize this. You visited this before. You're going to go to Students, and then you're going to click on either one of your classrooms. It's all going to take you to the same place. So I'm going to click on Miss Acton's just because I know my page better than anybody else's. And I have an extra websites. That's what I'm going to click on. It's going to take me to the extra websites that I have. If you go to Miss Ramos's class, her extra websites are up here. And if you go to Miss Jess' class, her extra websites are right down here. So you just find the extra websites, no matter what button that you push. Um, it's going to take you to the same page. So if I click on extra websites, it takes me to extra websites for Miss Acton's class. And we have Splash Math right here. We have a bunch of other websites that you are more than welcome to explore as well too. And if you have any trouble with any of those, contact your teacher and she'll be able to help you. But I want you to focus on the Splash Math. And then this is Miss Acton's. This is Miss Ramos. Splash Math is in the same spot. And this is Miss Jess. Splash Math is in the exact same spot. So we're going to click on Splash Math, and it's going to take you to the exact same page that you would go no matter whose classroom that you were in. And this is where you need to make sure that you're really paying attention to what you're doing. So you're going to go up here and you're going to click in the sign in button because you need to sign in to your specific page so that you can work on your specific learning, because it's going to make the learning cater to you. So it's saying, oh, they had trouble with this yesterday. We're going to practice this again today. Whereas another student might be really, really good at that and moved on. They're going to keep all of your stuff on your login, okay? So obviously you're going to decide, are you a student or a teacher or a parent? You're a student, so you're going to click on student, and it asks for your classroom code. On the Google form that you guys are going to do for your assignment today, after you watch this video, I have a big image on there that has Miss Acton's, Miss Ramos, and Miss Just classroom code. And hopefully I remember what mine is. So I'm going to type in Miss Acton's, and so if you're Miss Ramos or Miss Jess kiddos, do not type this one in because it won't take you to your page. You won't find your name. So KFKCNT. Did it do it? Am I right? All right. Yeah, it took me to the right spot. Yeah, and then you will find your avatar, which I think they're hippos, and they all got funny little hats on it. So these are all of my kiddos. So you would click on your avatar, and then it would ask, let's do Elijah. And then it would ask for Elijah's password. And if you don't know what your password is, contact your teachers and they will let you know. My kiddos, text me and I will let you know what your password is if you make it here. I'm going to Oh, that's not it. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hide. Hide. Everybody's got a different password. Did it work? Oh, I don't want you to see that. All right, and then it's kind of going to give you a tour. Unlock more worlds by clicking on this button. And the worlds, you earn more. The more points that you earn, the better that you do on your assignment. So if you want to view all the worlds, you can. Ooh, so they got the sky world, space world, underwater world. And as you see, you can buy these other worlds. Ooh, candy world, jungle world. You can buy all of these worlds, but you have to buy them with coins. So we got to earn coins first. How do we earn coins? Well, it says next up in grade two, represent three-digit numbers. So you can start this, and what happens is it starts you with second grade work. But if I push start and I try to do this and I don't do very well, it'll move you down to the standards that fit what you need to work on. So it won't be giving you anything that's too crazy, and the more that you work on it, the more that it'll find what you need, and it won't be too hard. It'll be just right for you. And then slowly as you go on, it'll get a little bit harder and challenging you as you go on. Also, your teacher will be able to assign assignments to you too. So let's say that the next thing that we're going to be working on is working with money, being able to count money. She can assign a lesson for you where you guys actually practice that. That way, when you do it in your lesson on your Google Forms, it's a lot easier for you. Or maybe a test is coming up and she assigns that to you so you can practice for your test. So sometimes you'll see assignments in here posted, but for the most part, what you need to be doing starts right here up at the top. And what we want you to be doing today is to just explore this. So view the worlds. Go over here to your math facts. Come down here and check out what your teacher's saying to you. Go visit the aquarium. There's a jungle that you can go visit. So just click on some of the buttons and explore what you got going on. And if you find out that something's not right, maybe you can't figure out where the learning's going on, you keep clicking on stuff, but you're not earning any money to buy different worlds or earn time to play games, then contact your teacher and she'll be able to help you, okay? So that's one way that you can find the website for Splash Math. The other way that you can do it is if you just open up Google, and this is the way Miss Acton finds it. Just open up Google and click in your Google thing. You can see all the stuff that Miss Acton's Googled. I had trouble with my kiddos being able to hear videos in my meeting, so I Googled that. I needed a picture of a fish, a raccoon, a porcupine, a snake, and a lion today, so I Googled that stuff. So I'm going to Google Splash Math. And then usually the first one that shows up, Splash Learn Fun Math Practice Games for Kindergarten. You can click on that. And it already has me logged in as Elijah because I already logged in. So I'm going to exit out of both of those so that it shows me right from the beginning. So again, I'm going to go to Google. I'm going to type in Splash Math. Usually it's the first thing that shows up. Oh my gosh, Elijah's still logged in. I'm going to log him out. And then it'll take you to this page right here where we all started, where you push sign in. You're a student, and then you type in your classroom code depending on what class that you're in. So you only saw Miss Acton's kiddos because I typed in Miss Acton's class code. If you type in Miss Ramos's class code, which actually I have, let me see. Oh, I actually have it on my computer. I was working on it earlier. So Miss Ramos's is SUKHNT. 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 And when you open up Miss Ramos's class, it has all of Miss Ramos's friends. So I see Adriano, I see him on there. I know she's got my girl Miss Natalie on here. There's Miss Natalie right there. I've met Key before. She's got all of her friends on there. So you guys would find your name, and then if you don't know your password, you would contact Miss Ramos, and she'll give you your password. That way you can get on there and start doing Splash Math. I had Miss Jess. I don't have it typed in yet. So Miss Jess is GQBHUR. So let's go up and log out. Go back. GQBHUR. GQBHUR. So I'm going to sign in. I am a student. GQBHUR. And then that'll take you, if you want to miss Jess Kiddos, it'll take you to that. So if don't type in someone else's code, or it's going to take you to a classroom that doesn't have you in it, and you don't know all the other kiddos' passwords either. So I see all of Miss Ramos's friends. I see Carmen in there. I know Miss Carmen. Miss Kieran, I got your sister in my class. I know Miss Umulker. I know her. Oh, Miss Teresa, I had her in my class for a little bit last year, and then she got down to second grade. Yep, so those are all Miss Jess' class. So you would click on your name, it'll ask for your password. If you don't know what it is, contact your teacher and she will let you know. So that's how you find Math Splash. So again, you can go through the second grade website and make it to the extra websites page and click on Splash Math, or you can go to Google and type in Splash Math in the Google search and it'll bring you up to it. So don't forget, get on Envisions, use that interactive workbook that Miss Acton showed you how to do yesterday, and then check for your classroom code on this Google form that you found this video, and then remember your classroom code, and then visit Splash Math and come figure out where you're at and start exploring the website. So, all right, thank you guys for listening, and I hope you guys have a great Thursday.